Good morning. Long time no see. So today, as you can tell by the title, we are going on an adventure. I have fallen in love with HEB's Lolliberries. They're a seasonal strawberry and they literally taste like candy. Like if you're trying to think of a strawberry that you had was super sweet, it's not a Lolliberry. This will be my third or fourth time traveling for these berries, so come along. We have made it to Columbus, Texas, where there's probably the smallest, or at least one of the smallest HEBs I've ever been to in my life. Here they are, the last three. So here they are. They're absolutely sweet as candy. When I tell you, I've been eating these by the cartons. As of today, now that they're all sold out because of me, I have gone through, I've bought 10 cartons and I've given 5 of them away. No, wait, that can't be right. I've bought 12 cartons, so I've bought 15 cartons total. And I've given 5 of them away as gifts because they're literally that good. So I have 2 things I can do here. I can continue to eat these by the carton, which is easy. But I think I'm going to take 2 of them, cut off the leaves, and freeze them. So that way I can juice them, maybe make a syrup. You know, I love making desserts and stuff. So yeah, but my day's not over. It's actually just getting started. I just have to secure the berries because what's crazy is last week when I came out here, I bought 5 cartons from this particular HEB and it was 3 left that day. And I thought that someone else was going to buy them. I don't know why they're not in Houston. I really have no clue. But what's funny is tomorrow, watch they end up being in Houston. Although we are now approaching the end of February, they've been out since literally the beginning of this year and they never made it to Houston. I don't know what that's about. So these berries, I'm going to make good use of them, try to find something creative to do with them. And I think my next stop is, well, it's going to be another HEB, but I also want to go to IKEA and get this, I think it's called like a princess cake. So come along. Okay, so apparently I did not know that the restaurant's getting a makeover, but it does say that they have to go stuff downstairs, so let's see. And here it is, about to get it. So here it is, and it is, hold on, where's the description? Uh-oh. So it is a raspberry cake with cream and raspberry filling covered with an almond paste. It sounds divine, so can't wait to try it. Simply because the parking is always atrocious. Like, ugh. All right, here goes nothing. Gonna give these a try. Kinda wanna try these as well, so let's get one. Also, y'all know I love watermelon things, so I'm gonna get a watermelon candle. Also gonna get this. Actually, I just put the rose one back in exchange for the bronze rose. This kind of smells like a Bath & Body Works candle that I love that's seasonal, so we're gonna get her instead. And then this one we're gonna get as well. I love magnolias and I love roses, so winner. Hinoki Woods is an honorable mention. I love the smell of Hinoki Woods in general, but this candle just doesn't have a decent throw for me. So I also am going to try these out. I've been wanting to try them for a while. And they have watermelon, berry blast, and citrus. Also found a a sour one with strawberry and peach. I've also never gotten the KSM 66 ashwagandha, just like the regular kind, and HEB has their own version, so it was pretty affordable. Yeah, it was $8. I guess I would say that's a pretty good deal. They also had these Texas shaped serving plates, and I like to host, and I love these colors, so I think they were like $2, and the big one was like 5. As for these Korean pears, which are like really big and juicy, by the way, they seem to be ripe. Apparently, Korean pears are considered ripe when they're no longer green and have like a yellow to bronze color. So I'm going to let these get room temperature before I cut them. And it says that these should also be peeled before eating, which is different because typically I eat a pear with all the skin on it. So yeah. Thank you for driving around for me for, well, it was like 3 hours tops between like the stops and the shopping around and stuff. Although this video is probably going to be like 5 minutes long. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, yeah. Thank you for following me around while I go hoard a bunch of fruit and a cake. I will try the cake out on another day. Maybe I'll make a short TikTok about it. I don't know. But yeah. I have 1,000 subscribers now, and so I'm gonna try to be a little bit more consistent. I was supposed to go to the Shaka Khan, Patti LaBelle, Stephanie Mills, and Gladys Knight concert in a couple days, but it got rescheduled to freaking May. I want to say like May 28th. Like, why would you do that? I had plans. Anywho, yeah. So for now, it'll just be whatever I decide to do, whatever little adventures. This is a visual archive of my adventures. There really is no theme here. No niche, just living. So, thank you for coming along.